Alright guys, today we got a special video today. Today we're going to be installing some carbon fiber overlays on the center console of this 2011 Mustang GT. It's going to be an overall simple install. It's just going to take about 5 minutes. It's pretty much it. I'm just going to go over the few steps and things that you're going to need to go over, and I'll leave a link in the bio to where I got the product, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so the first step that you want to do here is basically clean up the overall surface area that the carbon fiber is going to be going over. So you're just going to need an alcohol disinfecting wipe, simple as that. Just wipe down the overall area that the 3M is going to be stuck to. Just like that. Now we also have a piece right here, so you also want to make sure you clean up that area. Just make sure that there's no dust. Alright, well, once you're done with these alcohol wipes, boom, those are gone. Now we need a heat gun. We're going to go back into the garage, just like that. Alright, next step that you want to do is get your carbon fiber piece. As you can see, it's just going to go over here. However, you can see that there is a curvature, so you want to make sure that you heat up this area. You don't want to heat it up too much to the point where you're melting it, but you just want to get it nice and warm and pliable. So you're just going to go with heat gun. Just warm it up. Just get the backing of it. Just because it's a very cold day today, so we just got to warm it up. Because it was definitely in the car for a while, so you got to warm it up just to make it nice and pliable. Especially this area right there. Not too much though, you don't want to burn it up. Alright, once you're done with that, now as you can see, it's definitely a lot more pliable. Alright, don't want to burn yourself. Alright, now you just want to peel off right here. It's very simple. Just like that. Look at that. Look at how easy it just comes right off. Boom. Once you have this, throw that away. Don't need that anymore. Now we can warm up the actual 3M right here. Just going to go through the same process. Just warm it up. Up like that. So this is pretty much it. Once you have it all lined up, it was fairly simple. You just stick it on. You could always basically just warm it up again just to make sure it creates a nice bondage. Now the next piece that you want is this cup holder cover, and you basically just line it up and just stick it on just like that. It should be very simple. Alright, so pretty much if you don't even have a blow dryer or a heat gun, you can honestly just do this and just put it, blast the heat and just warm it up like that. You just want it to get it just to where it's pliable enough, and that's when you know the adhesive is good to go. Turn that down. I'm burning my face off. Ow, man, my eyes. That was really hot. All right, so you just want to grab the edge and just peel it off get any dirt on it. Once you have that, throw that away. And now we're just gonna heat this up again. Just gonna warm up the actual adhesive part now. Just wanna leave it there just for 10 seconds at most. In the meantime, you can just start to clean up the area right here. And once you have that, turn off the heat. All right, and you just wanna line it up. Simple as that. Want to get all the edges on. Boom, we have it there lined up perfectly. All right, start from the middle right there, and then we can just spread it out. Now I'm using a microfiber cloth right here, just so as I'm spreading it out, I don't actually scratch the finish on. That's just a helpful tip there that you can use when installing these pieces. Exactly, just like peanut butter jelly. Just like that, wipe it down, and there, no clearance issues, everything fits properly. And that's pretty much how the whole center console looks. Alright, so pretty much that was just the installation of the center console area. Definitely wasn't too hard. Only took me about 5 minutes. Same thing with all these installs. It's very simple. The cutouts are very good, so it's pretty simple. You can see there is the cutout there. It's for the shifter, even down there. Wasn't too hard, but I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for next video. We're going to be doing the steering wheel, and I hope you guys like that.